Hey there, welcome back to my channel where we explore the extraordinary in the ordinary. Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to explore CSS property font size adjust. So as name explains, this property is related to font size, and it gives developers the ability to set the font size of an element depending on the size of its lowercase letters rather than the uppercase letters. So this property is related to font family, and font family changes when you change the font family of a particular page. This font size adjust property works in a different way. Okay, so let's say we have font size value is equal to 22 pixel and font size adjust value is zero point 0.5, and in this case the lowercase letters of the font will be 11 pixel in height because 22 pixel font size into zero point 0.5 font size adjust value will be 11 pixel. Okay, so when loading fonts, there is likely be a different aspect ratio between lowercase letters of a fallback font and newly loaded typeface. So, font size adjust is useful to control the amount of reflow when we declare font a new font family. Okay, so it's a combination of, not combination, but it's a kind of a fallback font adjustment. So let's see two different demos about that. So I have opened this demo in Mozilla Firefox because this property doesn't support Chrome. As you can see, we have one button with some text and H1. This is text 1 and text 2. You can see those texts are overlapped. And this is the properties for that H1. Here you can see we have this web font Chaparral Pro. Okay, and here you see we have applied this font size adjust to value 0.42, and based on this click event we are toggling this class. The class name is font size adjust, and this is the class name font size adjust. So when we click on this button, this value, this font size adjust class is added and removed. It is basically toggling. So let's see, let me inspect that element, and it should be, let me move that little bit. Okay, now let me put it aside. So dock it to right. Okay, now we have this. All right, so now let me click here. You see there is a difference, right? So what it is doing, you can see here the HTML, the class is added font size adjust, right, in HTML to this HTML font HTML tag, and we have added this web font class, so it should be here, and here we are adding this font size adjust value is 0.42, so it should be here somewhere. When we click, you see this font size adjust property is showing 0.42, right? So let me change it to 0.5, 0.6. It changes depending on the value of font size adjust, right? So this is very simple example. Let's see another complicated example as well. So here again you can see two paragraphs, one H1, so not paragraph, two H1 titles are there, and when you click you can see the difference. The clear difference is there. While loading that font, the fallback value applying here. So let's see here. the font family is same, and this font size adjust value is 0.5. So clicking on this button, we can apply and remove this property, font size adjust property. Okay, so it's not that you can use this property in your everyday use, but yeah, it's good to know at least how this property works. Okay, and one more thing, this can be a very big effect when you set on large portion of body text. Okay, and it improves the flicker that occurs when switching between fallback and newly loaded font. And let's see about the browser support. As you can see, this property is not supported by Chrome of any version. Also, it is not supported by Edge. This property supports Firefox for few versions. Okay, so whenever you use this property, make sure that you are aware of this browser compatibility. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned. See you next time.